Hey, what's up my friends? Welcome back to another lesson. In this video, we are going to talk about hashtag strategy. Instagram hashtags are a great way to get your photos and videos in front of more people. But if you use the hashtags that aren't relevant or that have too many posts associated with them, you won't get the results that you're looking for. And this is a common mistake made by almost everybody. By using hashtags that are too big, meaning that they already have tons of other users with a ton more engagement, you're competing with those accounts and that content, which you'll most likely never get close to ranking on that hashtag. You want to use hashtags that are small, medium, and big, and what we call the ladder strategy. The small hashtags are the ones that have a few thousand posts associated with them, most likely the local hashtags or industry specific hashtags. The medium hashtags have a few 100,000 posts, and the big hashtags have millions of posts associated with them. And so the strategy here is that you use hashtags that are smaller to help you rank and possibly get more engagement to boost you up into the mid-level hashtags, then use the mid-level hashtags and that engagement to boost you up into the higher level hashtags. And now that is how that works in theory. Now don't get all excited and think that this is going to work and that this is just a 1 + 2 + 3 equals viral formula. It doesn't work that way, but sometimes it does. Remember that this is an algorithm. We don't have any control of what the algorithm does. So how do you find the right hashtags to use? There are a few different ways to do this. You can use Instagram's hashtag or search function to find hashtags that are related to your post. Now, yes, you can use third-party apps, but for the sake of simplicity, we're not going to do that and stick to just the Instagram app. If you're a local or a brick and mortar business, you want to use hashtags that are local to you. And honestly, I think as a local or brick and mortar business, you have it the easiest when it comes to hashtags because there are tons of things that you can tag on a local level. So for example, for a lot of my real estate agents here in the group, hashtag Houston real estate agent or hashtag Austin real estate agent. You could even use hashtags like hashtag Texas realtor, hashtag Phoenix local, hashtag AZ homes, hashtag Arizona homes. So you get my point. Do the research, guys. Find your hashtags, and what I would recommend is that you open up a notepad or whatever strategy is best for you, something that you can have handy and paste them all in there. Create a variety. You don't want to be using the same exact hashtags or a group of hashtags every single time. You need to switch it up every once in a while so that the algorithm doesn't flag you as a bot. When you're creating a post on Instagram, you have the opportunity to add up to 30 hashtags. Now, I don't recommend using all 30 hashtags because that just looks spammy and no one wants to follow a spam account. Plus, you don't want the algorithm to come at you for any reason. However, I do recommend using anywhere between 10 to 15 hashtags. And now there's all kinds of several different opinions out there on how you can use hashtags or how many you should be using. And so it's a little bit tough, but this is my recommendation and what we do as best practice for all of our accounts. And finally, where to post them. Some people will place them in the comment section. Some people will place them in the actual post. We recommend that you place them in the actual post so that those hashtags go to work at the exact same time that your post goes out. So there is the hashtag ladder strategy. We remember that you want to use local and relevant hashtags in your content. And remember the ladder strategy. Stack your hashtags strategically to give you the best possible chances of ranking in the newsfeed. So there you have it, my friends. Start doing your research, start building up your collection of hashtags, implement them, and what you can do is start looking up those hashtags after you've created your content and you've posted your content to see if you've ranked anywhere near the top of those hashtag feeds. Ultimately, over time, your goal is to scatter yourself all throughout that feed to establish your brand and increase your exposure. So there you have it, guys. Peace out, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.